Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston, and today I'm going to walk you through a 2018 Scout 177 Sport. This model is equipped with the shark gray hull color. Standard, the boat has a trolling motor plug. This model is equipped with the Fusion Bluetooth stereo that has 4 speakers, 2 in the bow and 2 beneath the helm seat. We have a standard live well beneath the cooler seat with 3 rod holders on each side and an optional windscreen and console rail. We have cleats that recess at midship, 1 up in the bow and then 2 back at the stern. This model is equipped with the rear deck hatches on both sides. These tubs do remove, so it gives you more storage options. Standard on this boat is a 70 horsepower from Yamaha. We have it equipped with a 90. We have the optional swim platform to the port side. You have 2 rod holders aft. Beneath the helm seat, standard, you have an igloo cooler and tackle storage, in addition to netted storage compartments beneath the deck. The boat has courtesy lights on each side of the console. There's your additional speakers in the cockpit. You have a nice casting platform with non-skid and a considerable amount of storage in the bow, including a designated area for a bucket. This boat also comes with Baystar hydraulic steering. You've got MP3, 12 volt, and USB ports at the dash, 2 cup holders that are plumbed and drained, all your aircraft style toggle switches, in addition to your Yamaha digital gauges, an adjustable steering wheel, so the steering wheel tilts, and again your live well. That's our 177 Sport from Scout. Be sure to visit us online at MarineMax.com or call us at 843-747-1889. And again, I'm Carl Anderson. Thank you.